Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. I Kritika Dikshit welcomes you all in the video solution of this Matrix Olympiad paper for class 5th stage 2. So let's start with the first part of this paper, that is of mathematics. Here comes the first question of this part, that is find the area of the shaded figure. So here in this figure we have to find the area of the shaded figure. One small square area is 3 multiplied by 3. As we know that area of a square is side into side. So here sides are given to us, that is 3 into 3. So area of a small square is side into side, that is 3 into 3, that is equal to 9 centimeter square. So let's count the full small boxes in this figure that are shaded. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 full small squares are shaded, means the area of 6 small square is equal to 6 multiplied by 9, that is 54 centimeter square. Now let's count the number of half squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 squares are half. So here we have total number is 5. 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45 centimeter square. So the area of this shaded figure is 54 plus 45, that is equal to 99 centimeter square. So according to the question, option D is the correct answer. Now let's start the next question, question number 2. In the given figure, VSRQ is a square. So this is a square. And PUTV is a rectangle. PUTV is a rectangle. The area of the square VSRQ is 400 centimeter square. So area of this square is 400 centimeter square. And the parameter of this complete figure is 150 centimeter. Find the length of PQ. So we have to find out the length of the PQ. For this, let's find out the side of the square first. Area of a square is side into side. Area is given to us, that is 400 centimeter square. So this is side square. Now 20 is equal to side. It means this is 20 centimeter. Now the length and breadth of the rectangle is unknown to us. So let's take length and breadth equal to x and y. Now let's find out the parameter of this whole figure. This is x. So this will be also x. This is y. This whole will be 20 minus x. This will be 20. This is 20. This is 20. So the parameter will be like this. PU plus UT plus TS plus SR plus RQ plus QV plus VP. That is equal to 150 centimeter. Now let's place the value. Now putting the value of PU, that is equal to x plus y plus 20 minus x Now the next step will be, here we have 2y plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 will get 35 centimeter. So the value of y is 35 centimeter. We have to find the length of PQ. So PQ is equal to y plus 20, that is equal to 35 plus 20, 55 centimeter. So according to the question, we can see that option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 3. A farmer has to fertilize his rectangular shaped field measuring 25 meter multiplied by 35 meter. If one bag of fertilizer can fertilize 35 square meter, then how many bags he has to purchase to fertilize the whole field? So we have to find out first the area of the field. So length and breadth of the rectangular field is given to us. Now we are going to find out the area of this field, that is equal to L multiplied by B, that is 25 multiplied by 35 meter, and it gives us 875 meter square. So this is the total area of the field. Now one bag of a fertilizer can fertilize 35 square meter. So here what we are going to do, we are going to find out number of bags required. So number of bags is equal to 875 upon 35. So after cancellation we get 25 bags. So the farmer required 25 bags to fertilize the whole field. So according to the question, we can say that option D is the correct answer. Now the next question, that is question number 4. The length of a rectangle is twice its breadth. It means L is equal to 2 multiplied by breadth. If the length of the rectangle is 16 centimeter, so here length is given to us, that is 16 centimeter. Then find its area. So to find out the area, what we have to do? We have to first find out the breadth. So here 16 upon 2 is equal to breadth. Here 8 is equal to breadth. Now to find out the area, we have L into B, that is length into breadth. So length is 16, breadth is 8. It is 128 centimeter square. So here according to the question, option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 5. How many pairs of parallel lines are there in the given figure? So here we have to find out the pair of parallel lines. So here this is 1, 2, 3 and this one is 4. So option A is the correct answer, as there are 4 pairs of parallel lines. In the next question, what we have to do? We have to find out which of the following option is correct for the given figure. Now here first option is there are 3 acute angles inside the figure. Let's find out the number of acute angles in the figure. Here we have only one acute angle. So the first statement is false. Now the next one is there are 2 right angles inside the figure. So here it is 1, 2, 3. It is more than 3. So this statement is also false. Now the third statement is there are 3 obtuse angles inside the figure. So here we have to find out the 3 obtuse angles. So here obtuse angle is 1, 2 and 3. So this statement is true. Last statement is none of these. So according to the question, we can say that option C is the correct answer. So let's start the next question. Question number 7. How many angles are less than 90 degree inside the given figure? So here we have to find out how many angles are there which are less than 90 degree. So here 1, 2, 3. So in this figure we have 3 angles which are less than 90 degree. So option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 8. How many pairs of perpendicular lines are there in the given figure? So here we have to find out the number of perpendicular lines. So here let's count 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this one is 8. So in this figure we have 8 perpendicular lines. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 9. In this question we have to find out the missing number in the box. So here let the number be x, and according to the BODMAS rule we are going to solve this question. So here it is x divided by 16 multiplied by 9 plus 8 equal to 125. So here let's calculate x upon 16 multiplied by 9, that is equal to 125 minus 8, that is 13 multiplied by 16 is equal to 208. So according to the question we can say that option D is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. Now the next question is question number 10. Find the value of P divided by Q multiplied by R plus S plus 0.002. Now to solve this, first we have to find out the values of P, Q, R and S. So here let's find out the value of P first. 3 multiplied by P gives the unit digit 5. It means the value of P will be 5. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Now the next is 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. So here it is 7. 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. Now here Q is 1 as carry 1. Here the next we have to find out the value of R. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 6 are 12. So here this is 2. Now the value of S is 1. So here we get the value of P, Q, R and S. Let's put the value. P is 5. Value of Q is 1. Value of R is 2. Value of S is 1. And here rest value is same. So here 5 divided by 1 multiply by 2 plus 1 plus 0.002. So here 5 divided by 1 is 5 multiplied by 2 plus 1.002. Here 10 plus 1.002 is 11.002. So according to the question we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now let's start the next question. Next question is find the value of Q plus R divided by P minus S upon S. So here we have to find out the value of P, Q, R and S first. So let's find out with the help of this long division the values of P, Q and R, S. So here the P will be 7. Then the Q will be here 4. S, we have the value of S is 5. Here also S is 5. So let's write down the value P, Q, R and S. Value of P is 7. Q is 4. R is, we are on the way to find out the value of R. Here it is 5. and the value of R is here 6. So we get the values of all the 4 unknown variables. So here let's put the value in the Q plus R divided by P minus S upon S. We get 4 plus 6 divided by 7 minus 5 upon 5. So here 10 divided by 2 upon 5, that is equal to 5 divided by 5, that is equal to 1. So here B is the correct answer. So according to the question, we can say that B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 12. Here we have to find out the missing value. So let this value be X. Now the value is 3.75 divided by 3 is 1.25. Here multiplication is 1.12. Here we get plus 0.68. Now after subtraction we get 0.13 plus 0.68, that is equal to 1 plus X multiplied by 1 by 2. Here we get 0.78, that is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5x. Now 0.78 minus 0.5 equal to 0.5x, that is equal to 0.28 upon 0.5, that is equal to x. After cancellation we get 0.56, that is equal to x. So here option A is the correct answer, 0.56. Now the next question is question number 13. In this question, what we have to find out? We have to find out the least number which when divided by 4, 6, 8, 12 and 16 leaves a remainder of 2 in each case is. So here we have to first find out the LCM of these numbers. So LCM of 4, 6, 8, 12 and 16 is 48. And if we want that the least number should leaves a remainder 2 in each case, then what we have to do? We have to add 2 in 48. So we will get answer 50. So here option C is the correct answer. Now in the next question we have, what is the largest 2-digit number which is exactly divisible by both 6 and 5? The number which is exactly divisible by 6 and 5, to find out that number we have to first find out the LCM of 6 and 5. So LCM of 6 and 5 is 30. And to find out a number which is divisible by 6 and 5 both is 30, and we have to find out the largest 2-digit number. So here the largest 2-digit number out of these 4 options is 90. Here option A is the correct answer, as 90 is the largest 2-digit number out of these 4 options which is exactly divisible by 6 and 5. Now let's move on to the next question. Now the next question is question number 15. 4 bell rings at intervals of 4, 6, 8 and 14 seconds. They start ringing simultaneously at 12 o'clock. At what time will they again ring simultaneously? So we have to find out the time after 12. So first of all we will going to find out the LCM of 4, 6, 8 and 14, so that we can know at what time this 4 bell will ring again. So here LCM of 4, 6, 8 and 14 seconds is 168 seconds. So after converting into minutes we get 2 minutes 48 seconds. So we have to find the time when they will ring again simultaneously. So after 12 o'clock, they will ring at 12 hours 2 minutes 48 seconds. So according to the options, we can say that option A is the correct answer. Now let's start the next question. Question number 16. Three men step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm respectively. The minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps is. So here we have to find out the minimum distance each should cover so that they can cover the distance in the complete step. So to find out this, we have to find out the LCM of 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm. So here the LCM is 7 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 11 and that is equal to 6930 centimeter. So here the minimum distance each should cover is 6930 centimeters. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 17. 3 water bottles X, Y and Z contains 920 ml of water altogether. It means that X plus Y plus Z is equal to 920 ml. Bottle X contains twice as much water as bottle Y. It means X is equal to 2Y. Next is bottle Z contains 20 ml less water than bottle X. So here Z is equal to X minus 20 ml. So here we have 3 information in this question. Now what we have to find out? How much quantity of water is there in bottle Z? So here we have to find out the quantity in bottle Z. To find out that, let's reshuffle this and find out the value of Z here. So here we know that X plus Y plus Z is equal to 920 ml. The value of X we know, and here if we put the value of X in place of X. So let's put the value of X in equation 1 and Z also in equation 1. What we get? Here in place of X we put 2Y plus Y will be as it is, and in place of Z we place X minus 20. So here we have put the value 920 will be as it is. So here also we can put 2Y in place of X. Now we get 5Y equal to 940. The value of Y is equal to 188. Now X is equal to 2Y. The value of X is equal to 2 multiplied by 188. So after multiplying 2 by 188, we get 376 ml. So here the quantity in bottle X is 376. Now to find out the quantity in bottle Z, we have 376 minus 20. So the value is 356 ml. So the quantity in bottle Z is 356. So here according to the option, we can say that option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 18. The health club advises every child to drink 2 3/4 liter of water in the morning, 1 7/8 liter in the afternoon and 1 upon 2 liter before going to bed. How much water should a child drink in whole day? So what we have to do, we have to add them all. So here 2, 3 upon 4 plus 1, 7 upon 8 plus 1 by 2. So here we get 11 upon 4 plus 15 upon 8 plus 1 upon 2. So the LCM of 4, 8 and 2 is 8. So we get 41 upon 8 and that can be written as 1 upon 8 liter. So according to the question, we can say that option A is the correct answer. Now question number 19. In this question, a family uses 9 upon 20 liter of oil in every week. Find the total quantity of oil used by the family in the month of February of a normal year. So February is of a normal year. It means that it also has a 4 week. So here a family uses 9 upon 20 liter of oil in every week. So we have to find out the total quantity that they use. So here we know that in every month we have a 4 week. So we will going to multiply 4 by 9 upon 20. So we get 4 multiplied by 29 upon 20 and after cancellation we get 29 upon 5 and that can be written as 25 4 upon 5. So we can write 29 upon 5 as 5 4 upon 5. So according to the option, we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 20. A cubical container of dimensions 3.5 meter multiplied by 3 meter multiplied by 4 meter is to be made using a sheet of metal. How much will the container cost if the metal sheet costs rupees 42 per meter square? So here what we have to do? We have to find out the area of this cubical container first. So let's draw a cuboid. So this is a cuboid made up of sheet of metal. So here dimensions are given to us, length, breadth and height is with us. Now we have to find out how much will the container cost. So to find out the cost, first we have to find out how much metal is used to form this container. So here let's find out first of all the metal required. So here we have to find out all the faces of this cuboid. So the area of the faces we have to find out. There are number of faces. In a cuboid we have 6 faces. So first of all we are going to find out the area of this faces. So this is length, breadth, same. On the top and bottom will be same. This is height of a cuboid. Rest we go. So here we have LB plus LB. Top and bottom we have covered. Now side faces. BH plus BH plus now front and back faces. So here we have height and length plus LH. So 2LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. Here we are going to take 2 as common. So here LB plus BH plus LH. Now we are going to put the value of length, breadth and height in this. Now here length is 3.5 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 3.5 multiplied by. So here after calculation we get 2 multiplied by 36.5, that is equal to 73 meter square. Now to find out the cost of total sheet, we have to multiply this 73 meter square sheet by 42 per meter square sheet. So here 73 multiplied by 42, we get 3066. So the cost of metal sheet is rupees 3066. Now according to the options, we can say that option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 21. We have to match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct answer. So here in column 1 we have the first part, that is HCF of 17 and 85 is. So here the HCF of 17 and 85 is 17. As we know that 17 is a prime number. So it has only two factors, 1 and 17, and 85 also has the 17. So here HCF of these two numbers is 17. The next one is LCM of 8, 12 and 18 is 72. So after finding the LCM, we get the LCM of 2. Now the next part is number of common factors of 15 and 30 are. So here we have to find out the number of factors. So number of factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. And number of factors in 30, we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 15 and 30. So here we have 1, 3, 5 and 15. So we have 4 common factors of 15 and 30. So here the sequence is 3, 1, 2. So 3, 1, 2 is in the B option. So here option B is the correct answer. Now the next question, question number 22. Here again we have the match the column. Here first part is there are dash minutes in 6 days. So here to calculate the minutes in 6 days, first we have to find out how many minutes are there in a day. So we know that 24 hours are there in a day and we have 60 minutes in an hour. So we are going to multiply 24 hours by 16 minutes. So we will get 1440. Now the total minutes we get. Now 1440 is multiplied by 6 because we have to find out the total minutes in 6 days. So we get 8640. So the answer of first one is 8640. Now the next is dash meter must be added to 432 meter to get 1 kilometer. So here we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So we are going to subtract 432 from 1000 to get a number that should be added in 432 meter to get 1 kilometer. So here after subtraction we get 568. So here the answer is 568. Now the next and the last one. Dash half hours make a full day. Means we don't know the value. So x upon 2 is equal to 24. So the value of x is 48. So this is the last part of this question. So here the sequence is 3, 2, 1. So here 3, 2, 1 is in the C option. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is, again we have the match the column and here we are given with the shapes in column 1 and in column 2 we are having the parameter. So here first shape is rectangle. So here in the first we have a rectangle and the parameter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by L plus B. So the value is that is equal to 2 multiplied by 18 and that is equal to 36. So here the answer is 36. 6. Now the next is square with side 5. Now here perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side and side is 5. So 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So this is 20. Now the next is equilateral triangle with side 6. So here 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 80. So this is the sequence is 3, 1, 2. So 3, 1, 2 is in the B option. So here option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 24. In this question we have to find out which statement is true and which statement is false. Now the first statement is, if two lines intersect and if one pair of vertically opposite angle are acute angles, then the other pair of vertically opposite angle are obtuse angle. So this statement is true, as when a line intersect like this. So if this is an acute angle, then this will be an obtuse angle. So the next statement is, two lines in a plane which never meet are called corresponding lines. So this is false, because two lines in a plane which never meet are called parallel lines. So second statement is false. Next is, corresponding angles are on the same side of the transversal. Yes, this is true because they are on the same side. So the sequence is true, false, true. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 25. This is again a true-false question. Now the first statement is, area of floor of your classroom will be greater as the area of roof. So this statement is false, because area of roof and area of floor is equal. So here first statement is false. The next is, if the area of one rectangle box is 50 centimeter square, then area of 10 boxes will be 500 square centimeter. Yes, this is true, because if we multiply this 50 multiplied by 10, that gives us 500 centimeter square. Now the next is, our tabletop measure 3 meter by 50 centimeter. So first we have to convert this into the meter. So we get 0.5 meter. Then the area in square meter will be 15 square meter. So if we multiply 3 multiplied by 0.5, then it gives us 1.5 meter square. So this statement is false. So the sequence is false, true and false. So here option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 26. In this question also we have to find out which statement is true and which statement is false. Let's start with the first one. Here, if A plus B is equal to 2C and C plus D is equal to 2A, then A plus B is equal to B plus D. So let's find out. We are going to add A plus B equal to 2C and C plus D equal to 2A. So here, by adding, we get, here we have B plus D equal to 2C minus C. We are transposing the terms. Here, so here we get 2A minus A. So B plus D is equal to C plus A. It means the first statement is true. Now let's find out the next one. Solution of expression, this is equal to 24. So let's divide this. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 20 plus 8 minus 2 multiplied by 2. So here we get 20 plus 8 minus 4. 20 plus 4 equal to 24. So this statement is also true. Now let's find out the third statement. Solution of the expression. This is equal to 38. So here let's find out. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 10 multiplied by 0.5 5 is 5. So 36 plus 5 minus 3. Here we get 36 plus 2, that is equal to 38. It means the last statement is also true. So here in this question all the statements are true. So we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is based on the paragraph. The given figure is made up of a rectangle and 3 identical squares. So this is the figure and here we are having identical squares also and rectangle also. The space enclosed by the boundary of a plane figure is called its area. The area of a figure is the number of unit squares that covers the surface of an closed figure. Area is measured in square unit like centimeter square and meter square. So this is the information. Now using this information we have to solve the question, that is 27. Now find the sum of area of 3 squares. So here we are having 3 square, 1, 2 and 3. So here let's find out the area of this 3 squares. Area of a square is equal to side into side. So we have side 5 centimeter, 5 into 5 is 25 centimeter square. So as the 3 squares are identical, it means they have same area. This is 25 centimeter square, this will be 25 centimeter square and this is also 25 centimeter square. So after adding these 3 areas of square, we get 25 centimeter square plus 25 centimeter square plus 25 centimeter square, or we can say that 3 multiplied by 25 centimeter square. So we get 75 centimeter square. So according to the options, we can say that option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 28. This is also based on the information that we have used in the previous question. Now here the question is find the area of the unshaded part of rectangle. So here this is a rectangle and we have to find out the unshaded part. It means we have to find out the area of this part. So let's find out the area of rectangle first. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. So L into B is 15 multiplied by, this is 6 and this will be 5 and this is the square width side 5 centimeters. So 6 plus 5 is 11. So here we will have 11. After multiplying we get 165 centimeter square. And we have the area of a square also, that is equal to side into side, means 5 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 25 centimeter square. So to find out the area of the unshaded part of a rectangle, what we are going to do, we are going to subtract 25 centimeter square from the area of the rectangle. So 165 minus 25 is equal to 140 centimeter square. So here the area of the unshaded part of rectangle is 140 centimeter square, that is option C. Now the next question is question number 29. This is based on the information, that is Alicia bought 9 tons of mustard oil, each containing 15 liters of oil. She poured all the oil into a barrel of capacity 195 liters. So the question is how much oil in liters we have to find out did she pour into barrel. So here we have to find out how much oil she poured. So total tins were 9 and in each tin the quantity of oil is 15 liters. So we are going to multiply 9 by 15. So we get 135. liters. So here the total oil she poured in the barrel is 135 liters. So here option D is the correct answer. Now the last question of this part, that is question number 30, and this is also based on the information that we have used in the previous question. So this is, how many more tins of mustard oil must Alicia buy to fill up the barrel completely with oil? So here we have to find out the number of tins more that is required to fill the barrel, whose capacity is 195 liters. So in the 29th question, she poured total 135 liters of oil in the barrel. Now we are going to subtract 135 from 195 so that we can get how much more quantity we are required. So after subtraction we get 60 liter. So total 60 liter more oil is required to fill that barrel. Now let's find out the number of tins she required. 60 divided by 15. As one tin contains 15 liters of oil, so we have divided 60 by 15, and here after division we get 4. So number of tins Alicia required is 4. So here option C is the correct answer. So I hope you all understood the solutions of this part. Thank you.
Hello students, today I will discuss the MO paper solution of class 5th, stage 2nd, shift 2nd, part 2nd, science. Now we will start from our first question. Refer to the given flowchart. First one is given, it is a warm-blooded animal. We have to find out the first option P, that is warm-blooded animal, and one option is given, that is no. We have to find out the cold-blooded animal. It is given in the single option, that is P is a frog and it is a amphibian which is cold-blooded animal. So correct answer will be option C. All are warm-blooded animal. Next question. Which of the following is not a purpose of migration in animals? First one is to escape harsh weather, that is the correct. To search food, it is also correct. To reach their breeding grounds, it is also correct. Last one is none of these. So correct answer will be none of these. Next question. Earth's polar bear are extremely cold and covered with snow. Which of the following features does the penguin have to withstand the cold in these regions? We have to find out the correct characteristic which is found in the cold, those animals which are found in cold regions. So our correct answer will be option C. Thick skin with white, with wet, with fat layer. So our correct answer will be option C. Next one. Which of these does not show camouflage? So correct option will be option D. Next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? We have to find out the incorrect statement. Some sources of carbohydrate are vegetables, oils, butter and ghee. Oil, butter and ghee are the source of fat. So this statement is incorrect still now. Fats gives more energy than carbohydrate. It's true. Roughage help the food to get rid of undigested food. It is also correct. Vitamin increase the body ability to fight disease. It is also correct. So incorrect statement is option A. Next one. Intake of dash will prevents us from night blindness disease. Night blindness is a vitamin deficiency disease which causes due to vitamin A. So our correct answer will be option A. Green leafy vegetables. Next question is, sodium, iron, potassium, iodine are examples of. These are minerals. So correct answer will be option A. Which of the following is a function of queen bee in the beehive? The function of the queen is to lay eggs. So correct option will be option B. Next one, a baby pea breathes through its gills, an adult pea breathes through its lungs on land. What is pea? We have to find out the correct option for the pea, and it is a characteristic of frog. So correct answer will be option D. Next question, which of the following statement is incorrect? We have to find out the incorrect statement. The mass movement of animals from one place to another place is known as migration. It is correct statement. Gills are a specialized organ with which all mammals breathe. It is wrong statement. Emu is a flightless bird. It is correct statement. Insects like ants and cockroaches have 3 pairs of legs. It is also correct, and it is also correct. So our incorrect statement is option B. Next question. Study the given figure of a photosynthesis green leaf. You can directly find out which one gas is outing, and out take place after during the photosynthesis, and in out the coming gas is oxygen. So which of the following arrow indicates the movement of oxygen? Oxygen movement, it is, we can see in the option or column given S, that is given here, and R is intaking. Intaking requirement is, that is CO2. So our correct option will be option A. Next question is, there is some water in a jug. Which of the following will not happen if all the water is poured into an empty pan from the jug? Volume of water will change only. So our correct option will be option A. Next question, which of the following statement is incorrect? We have to find out the incorrect statement. The solid that dissolves in a liquid is known as the solute. Correct one. The liquid in which the solid dissolves is known as solvent. It is also correct. The liquid formed after dissolving a solute is called as solution. That's also correct. The liquid in which solid dissolve is called solution. It is a incorrect statement. So our correct answer will be option D. Next one, 200 ml of water at 25 degree Celsius was poured into each of the given contains P2S, PQRS. The containers were then left in an open garden under the sun. So our correct answer will be, which of the following containers will have the maximum volume of water after a few hours, which we can observe in the option S or jar S. So correct option will be option D. Next question. Refer to the given figure representing 3 different vessels X, Y and Z. Which of the given vessel can contains 80 centimeter of air? It will can be present in all of these 3. So our correct option will be option D. Next question. When the arrow is released, it travels quickly to target. Most of the kinetic energy in the moving arrow comes from the stored energy. From the where will the maximum energy will come? It will be bent wooden bow. Correct option will be option B. Next question. Which form of energy would move the given cart? It will be mechanical energy. So our correct option will be option A. For more details, for more information regarding the stage 2nd result, subscribe our channel. Next one is, the diagram shows 3 people taking in a ride on an attraction at a fair. As the boat swings back and forth, which of the following statement is true about the 3 persons X, Y and Z? We can observe this case about the potential energy, and it will be observed in the cases of left and right swings, and we can see the correct option will be option C. Next question. The given figure shows a girl pulling a sledge in the snow. It will be Y, that is known as gravity, and it will be known as friction. So our correct option will be, what does the arrow X and Y denote respectively? X is representing the friction and gravity represented by the Y. So our correct option will be option B. Next question. Match the column first and second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. First one is proteins, vitamin B and fats. Next one given beriberi, obesity and marasmus. Basically proteins have the deficiency in our body and it will cause the disease that is known as marasmus. Second one is vitamin B, beriberi and fat can causes obesity. So R into first is given in two options. Next, vitamin B is given into vitamin B. R is given into second. So it is given in only one option. So correct answer will be option B. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th reasoning stage 2 in shift second, conducted on 19 November 2023. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So question number 51. Find the missing number in the given number series. So series is 8, 15, 13, 20, 18, 25 and missing and last one is 30. So first find the pattern of the series. So first choose the alternate term of the given number series. So it means 8. Now alternate term is 13. Now next alternate term is 18. Now next alternate term is missing. And choose other alternative. Choose remaining term 15, 20. Now next is 25. Now next is 30. Plus 5, 15 plus 5, it means 20. Now 20 plus 5, it means 25. 25 plus 5, it means 30. Now in this series, 18 plus 5, it means 13. 13 plus 5, it means 18. Now 18 plus 5, it means 23. So 23 is the missing number of this series. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 52. Which one of the following option will replace the question mark in the number series given below? So series is 100, 87, 91, 78, 82, 69, 73 and next is missing. So first find the pattern of the given number series. So in this series, choose the alternative terms of the given number series. So here 100, 91. Now next alternate number is 82. After 82, next alternate number is 73. And second series is 87. Remaining term of this series is 87, 78. After 78, next alternative number is 69. After 69, next alternative number is missing. So choose the find the pattern of the given series. So 87 to 78, it means 9 minus 9. Now 78 to 69, it means again minus 9. Similarly, 69 minus 9, 69 minus 9, it means 60. So here missing number is 60. So 60 is the missing number of the given number series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 53. Which one of the following option will replace the question mark in the number series given below? So series is 3, 10, 20, 33, 49, 68, and next is missing number. So similarly, first find the pattern of the given number series. So pattern of the given number series is 3 to 10, it means plus 7. 10 to 20, it means plus 10. 20 to 33, it means plus 13. Now 33 to 49, it means plus 16. 49 to 68, it means plus 19. So plus 7. 7 plus 3, it means 10. 10 plus 3, it means 13. 13 plus 3, it means 16. Now 16 plus 3, it means 19. Similarly, 19 plus 3, it means 22. So 68 plus 22, it means 90. So 90 is the next term of the given number series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 54. Which one of the following number terms will replace the question mark in the pattern given below? So series is Y 38J, W 36M, U 34P, S 32S, Q 30V, and next is missing. So find the pattern of the given series. So first choose the first term of the choose the first alphabet of each term. Choose the first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of each term is Y, W, U, S, Q, and next is missing. So position of Y in English alphabet is 25. Position of W in English alphabet is 23. Position of U in English alphabet is 21. Position of S in English alphabet is 19. Position of Q in English alphabet is 17. So 25 minus 2, it means 23. 23 minus 2, it means 21. Now 21 minus 2, it means 19. 19 minus 2, it means 17. Similarly, 17 minus 2, it means 15. So position of O in English alphabet is 15. So first alphabet of missing term is O. Now choose number of each terms. Choose the numbers of each term. So number is 38, 36, 34, 32. Next is 30 and next is missing. So 38 to 36, it means minus 2. 36 to 34, minus 2. 34 to 32, it means minus 2. 34 to 32 to 30, it means minus 2. Similarly, 30 minus 2, it means 28. So missing number is 28. Now choose the last alphabet of each term. So series is G, M, J, M, P, S, V, and next is missing. So position of J in English alphabet is 10. Position of M is 13. Position of P is 16. Position of S is 19. Position of V is 22. So pattern is 10 plus 3, it means 13. 13 plus 3, it means 16. Now 16 plus 3, it means 19. 19 plus 3, it means 22. Similarly, 22 plus 3, it means 25. So Y. So position of Y in English alphabet is 25. So here O28Y is the missing term of given number and alphabet series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 55. Prem went 15 kilometers to north, then he turned to the west and covered 10 kilometers. Then he turned to south and covered 5 kilometers. Finally turning to east and he covered 10 kilometers. In which direction is he from starting point? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. One is east, this is north, this is west, this is south, and there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is known as northeast, this is known as southeast, this is known as southwest, and this is known as northwest. So according to question, Prem went, let's suppose A is the starting point of Prem. Prem went 15 kilometers to north. Prem goes 15 kilometers towards north direction. Then he turned to the west. Then he turned to the west. He turned to the west and covered 10 kilometers. And covered 10 kilometers. Then he turned to the south. Then he turned to the south and covered 5 kilometers. Finally turning to east, finally turning to east and covered 10 kilometers and covered 10 kilometers. In which direction is he from starting point? Let's suppose B is the end point of Prem. So find the direction of B with respect to starting point A. So B is in north of the starting point. So here option A is the correct answer of this question because B is in north of A. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 56. In a row of 39 girls, Nikita is 21st place from the left hand, and then find what will be Nikita's position from the right end. Total number of girls is equals to 39. Position of Nikita is 21st from the left. So this is the left of the row and this is the right direction of the row. So position of Nikita is 21st from the left. Here is Nikita. Now then find what will be Nikita's position from the right. Find the position of Nikita from the right end. So find the position of Nikita from the right end. So formula is total number of person minus position of Nikita from the left plus 1. So total is 39 minus position of Nikita from the left is 21st plus 1. So 39 plus 1, it means 40. 40 minus 21, it means 19. So position of Nikita from the right end is 19. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 57. If multiply means minus, divide means multiply, plus means divide, and minus means plus. So what will be the value of the following equation? So equation is 18 plus 6 divided by 6 multiplied by 4 minus 3. So find the value of given equation. First substitute the signs. So 18. So what is the meaning of plus? Plus means divide. Divided by 6. Now divide means multiply by 6. Multiply means minus 4. Minus means plus 3. Now using BODMAS rule in this equation, first divide the numbers. So 18 divided by 6, it means 3. Multiply by 6 minus 4 plus 3. Now according to board mass, multiply the numbers. So 3 multiplied by 6, it means 18 minus 4 plus 3. 18 minus 4, it means 14 plus 3. It means 14 plus 3, it means 17. So value of the given equation is 17. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 58. Find out the correct voter image among the following alternatives. So find the voter image among the following alternatives. Find the voter image of the given figure. So this part is near the voter. So it will remains near the voter in the voter image. So voter image of this figure look like as follows. And find the voter image of this part. So voter image of this part look like as follows. Like this. Now voter image of this part look like as follows. So here option C is the correct voter image of the given figure. So here option C is the correct voter image of the given figure. So let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. Find the mirror image of the given figure. So find the mirror image of the given combination of letters. So first find the mirror image of T, because T is near the mirror. So it will remains near the mirror in the mirror image. So mirror image of T look like as follows. Now find the mirror image of C. Now then find the mirror image of E. So mirror image of E look like as follows. Now mirror image of J. So mirror image of J look like as follows. Now mirror image of B. Now find mirror image of U, and then find the mirror image of S. So this is the correct mirror image of the given combination of letters. So here option C is the correct voter mirror image of the given figure. So C is the right answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Choose a figure which would most closely resembles the unfolded form of figure Z. So find the unfolded figure of figure Z. So unfold the figure in the same sequence in which it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. When we unfold Z, then we got Y. Now we unfold Y, then we got X, and X represents unfolded paper. So find the image of X, because X represents unfolded paper. So first find the mirror image of Z. Find the mirror image of Z. So mirror image of Z look like as follows. Okay, now unfold the it's represent Y. Now unfold the Y, it's represent X, So unfold the Y. So when unfold the Y, it look like as follows, and it represents X, and X represents unfolded paper. So here option 3, figure number 3 is the correct unfolded figure of figure Z. So here right answer is option C. Okay, thank you everyone.